Hello friends, welcome with Rcare Overseas Education. Today we have Kangan with us, and the best part is she has 5 offer letters or 6?
5.
5 offer letters, and she has 3 years of education from India from DU. So we requested her to come to this video and explain that what all challenges she faced, why she chose Rcare, and what was her journey for the entire year. Because the student come to us and say, we have 3 years of education, we cannot go to Germany, we would not be able to do our bachelor's. That is what you came for the first time and asked us, right? So Kangan, can you please give your introduction?
Yeah, so hello everybody, my name is Kangan Chadda and I did my bachelor's from Delhi University in BCom. And also I chose Rcare because it was more reliable than other consultancies, because the previous consultancies were more interested in the private universities, but when I came to Rcare I came to know about the public universities, and obviously public universities have a better reputation. When it comes to Delhi also, we Delhiites prefer Delhi University rather than the private universities.
Yes, and from which college you did your bachelor's?
So I did my bachelor's from Diyal Singh University.
Diyal Singh University, yeah. Okay, and it was a South campus?
Yeah,
it was a South campus. Okay, and Kangan, see, when you started your journey, so you did your bachelor's in?
BCom.
BCom, yeah. And now you're going for a management course, yes. Right? So you have 5 offer letters, but you decided the University of Worms, right? So which course is it?
It is global trade management, so it comes under international business administration, so it's more I guess it's more a better option for me.
Yes, see, whenever we apply to public university, when we were applying, so we were applying to the multiple courses, and every semester the courses, the requirement and everything changes, because I remember the last semester also you got 1 offer letter, right? And then you were like, no, this is not a course I wanted to go for, I'll go for the other semester, right? So did you face any problem, or did you face any challenge within this journey of entire year?
Not really, like in the previous semester I applied, I didn't have my entire degree, I didn't even have my provisional degree. I applied on the basis of fifth semester's result. Then also I got admission to one of the public university, but I was not happy with the course. So then I told ma'am that I want to go for some other course. So she told me that yeah, I can do that. So now I have 5 offer letters and I can make a choice myself in which university I want to go.
And what are the names of those 5 offer letters?
So I got one from Worms itself, it is in global trade management. The second I got is from Technical University of Ilmenau. The third I got was from Schmaragden. The fourth I got from was Nuremberg University, and the fifth I got from was Hof University.
Okay, and then you decided the Worms. And when are you flying? You're flying on 28th, right?
21st.
21st, okay, fair. 21st of this month.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, so finally. Alright, so apart from this, I wanted to be very honest, because whoever student is going to Germany, they should learn the German basic language, and I think you learned up till A2, right? Yeah. So please make sure, if you're going for any management course, please learn the basic language. That will help you, though the university would be providing you the German language that we were discussing 10 minutes ago, but it is hectic. The time which you're gonna devote in Germany for learning a German language makes sense. You can devote for part-time job or maybe any other co-curriculum activities. So as much as you can learn German from India is a very good idea. Let's talk about APS, because APS was being introduced by this semester. Whoever the student is going, they're going through APS. Yes. So your APS, your visa appointments, did you face any problem, because it was very new, right?
Yes, but I was guided by ma'am and sir, so I applied to APS like quite early and got my APS on time, and also I got my visa in just 28 days, so it was quite shocking. Like if you're from Delhi, VFS the time period for visa arrival is quite high as compared to other VFS.
So, okay, I didn't knew that. You got your
Yeah,
visa in 28
28
days.
days,
Okay,
yes.
so the visa in 28 days. But make sure you don't come to us and say, okay, we're gonna get the visa in 28 days. It depends upon university to university. It might be the case the University of Kangan, which is Worms, they might have replied earlier as compared to other universities. So there are students who are waiting for 1 month or 40 days also. So I have seen a lot of videos where the people keep saying, you know, got the visa in 28 days, got the visa in 15 days or 20 days. That depends upon various factors. Okay, so that's not in the hands of the consultants, to be honest. So but apart from this, APS, your visa, so all the documents were being taken care by Rcare, right?
Yes.
Your SOP, your cover letter, your documentation, plus creating the entire roadmap, whatever is to be taken ahead. So Kangan, I think you have one of your friend also who is also going along
Yes.
with you for the same university, right? So very last question I wanted to ask you is, when you came over here, you visited a lot of consultants and they were all forcing you for the private university, not for the public university. How confident were you, okay, you will be there in the public university rather than the private university? Because I remember you were planning for your MBA,
Yes.
right, from India, and then you quit that and then you decided the Germany.
Yes.
So what is your feedback on this?
So initially I was confused, but when I came to Rcare, I got some clarity. So the public universities in Germany are like quite well in terms of practical knowledge as well as theoretical knowledge. So that made me quite sure about the thing I will be pursuing. So I quit my CAT and I decided to do my masters from Germany.
And moreover, you decided to go for a public university rather than
Yes.
the private one. Okay. And to clear the CAT from India is not so easy as
Yes.
compared for the studies there in Germany. But getting an admission in Germany is also getting very difficult. Please make sure that it's not so easy how it used to be couple of years ago. So it's not so easy. You need the proper cover letter. The proper application has to be there on time. The coordination has to be there on time, and then the success rate would be there, right? So if you have any question related to Germany, related to any university, or you need any assistance, we would be very happy to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video.